How to delete a profile on Netflix. Now in order to delete a profile on Netflix, just simply open your Netflix app, and from here you are gonna see the option of My Netflix from the bottom right corner. And once you tap in there, you are gonna see your profile name from the top left corner. Tap into that, and once you tap in there, you are gonna see all of the profile that you have in your Netflix. Now in order to delete a profile, you have to remember that you must log out of that profile and log into a different one in order to delete that, and then you need to tap to the option of manage profiles. Tap there and tap to the pencil icon on the profile which you would like to delete. For example, I have made this profile halala profile. In order to halal it, meaning delete it, and after that tap to delete profile button and tap to delete profile again in order to delete that specific profile, and tada, the profile is deleted from Netflix. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.